If you're tired of juggling multiple cables for your Apple devices, the MFi Certified 27W USB-C to Lightning adapter is designed to simplify your charging and syncing routine. This 2-pack adapter lets you convert any USB-C cable into a Lightning connection, making it easier than ever to power up your iPhone or iPad without carrying extra cords. These adapters are compatible with a wide range of Apple devices, including the iPhone 14, 13, 12 series, iPad Pro, Air, Mini, and even AirPods. Whether you have the latest model or an older generation, this adapter ensures seamless charging and data transfer, so you can stay connected without hassle. Unlike generic adapters, this one supports fast charging at 15W with any USB-C cable or adapter delivering 8 to 2 amps. While it doesn't support PD, power delivery, chargers, it still provides a reliable and speedy charge that fits most daily needs. Plus, it allows data syncing between your iPhone or iPad and your computer, making file transfers quick and easy. Keep in mind, this adapter is designed exclusively for Apple devices and does not work with OTG functions or Android gadgets. It won't support accessories like headphones, CarPlay, USB flash drives, or external keyboards. So, it's a perfect fit if your focus is on Apple ecosystem compatibility and reliable charging. Durability is a strong suit here. The adapter features a premium aluminum alloy shell, built to withstand repeated plugging and unplugging without damage. Its sturdy design also helps with heat dissipation, ensuring safe use over time. With the included anti-lost loop, you won't have to worry about misplacing these small but essential accessories. If you want to streamline your charging setup and reduce cable clutter, this USB-C to Lightning adapter offers a practical solution. It turns your existing USB-C cables into versatile Lightning connectors, cutting down on what you need to carry daily. Worth a look if you own multiple Apple devices and want a reliable, MFi certified adapter that delivers fast charging and smooth data sync. No more fumbling with different cables, just plug in and power up. Try it when you're ready to upgrade your charging experience.